thing, I forgot its name. What this does.
It's open.
Also, this can lift. This can also repair here, back and forward. And then I think this can move around a bit.
Just say it's open.
Now let's see at the back here. And the back here is many other brooders. Now let's open this box. Awesome. Whoa! I'm gonna help you here. Vito, I'm gonna help you here. Whoa! Oh my god. You don't need this silly box anymore. Look at this. Oh! You see that? Oh, awesome. This is the brooder. This is the brooder little truck thingy. This brooder truck can spin around just like this. If you want to do it on a different control, you can just do it like that. Also, I don't know what else you can do here, but it has this seat for a driver, and also I think this doesn't have enough ground. But as you can see, if you press this, it can do this. It can scoop. This is really, really cool. The next thing is this humongous brooder truck. The brooder truck, it can, as you can see, it can fix just like that, which is so cool. The brooder construction truck, you see it has this flap here at the end, which can go down like this. And then it can just set the brooder just like that. If there's more dirt, you can just arrange it just like this, and then it'll just look really, really cool.
Twist the head of the truck.
And then this head can be removed, and at the same time you can like look inside where the engine is. I think the last thing is that the brooder trucks have really, really big wheels. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. Now, we're going to do construction time.